everyone, Katrina here. I'm so excited to show you today the quotient rule trick. In my previous video about derivative rules, we went over how to find the derivative of a fraction or a rational function where you have a denominator and a numerator. And we used this complicated looking expression over here. This might be a little bit of a challenge to memorize. And that's why today I'm going to show you the quotient rule trick to have you memorizing the quotient rule in no time. So this rule sounds kind of funny. It is low d high minus high d low all over low low. And you might be asking, what does this mean? What kind of song are we singing? So let's look at an example over here. What if our function equals to x cubed over 2x plus 5? Well, this here, our numerator, this is our high, and this, our denominator, this is our low. So our high is what we had as our f of x, and our low is what we used to have as our g of x. And in this case, the d, that just equals to the derivative. So d equals derivative. And that's it. So now it's pretty easy for you to remember when you're in that exam. Okay, I need to find the derivative. What can I do? Low d high minus high d low divided by low low. So let's put that into action over here. Let's find the derivative of both our f of x and g of x. So f prime of x equals to 3x squared by power rule. And then our g of prime of x equals to simply 2. So now we already have our high value, or I guess our d high, and we have our d low. So let's put these into action to find the derivative. So f prime, this equals to low, which is this term over here, so 2x plus 5, d high, which is this one, 3x squared, minus high, which is x to the power of 3, times d low, which is just 2, over low low, 2x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 5. So now all we have to do is simplify this, and then we get to our answer. Okay, so we have 2x multiplied by 3x squared, so we get 6x cubed plus 15x squared minus 2x cubed all over 4x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 25. So let's see if we can simplify this even further. So let's gather our like terms. So here we have 6x cubed and negative 2x cubed. So then the result is 4x cubed plus 15x squared all over, let's see what we have here, 4x squared plus 20x. We were able to combine these two terms, and then plus 25. And there you have it. We've used this fun and easy derivative tricks to remember how we can take the derivative of a rational function. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like below and comment any questions that you have. Subscribe for more fun and easy to follow math videos. I'll see you next time.